In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Level 2 in Webull. Quick thing worth knowing before we start. Level 2 isn't billed through your regular Webull brokerage balance. It goes through a separate payment method instead. So canceling it means heading to wherever you originally subscribed, not digging around inside Webull's own trading menus looking for a cancel button that isn't there. Let's dive right in. Which path you take really depends on how you signed up in the first place. So let's cover all three. If you subscribed through Apple Pay on an iPhone or iPad, open your Settings app, tap your name at the very top of the screen, then tap Subscriptions. Find Webull in the list, tap into it, and select Cancel Subscription. If you subscribe through Google Play on Android, open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Find Webull listed there, tap it, and select Cancel Subscription. If you subscribe through PayPal instead, log into your PayPal account, head into Settings, then Payments, then Manage Automatic Payments. Find Webull in that list and cancel it from there. Once you've canceled through whichever method applies to you, it's worth double-checking back in that same subscriptions list afterward to confirm Webull no longer shows as active, just for peace of mind. One thing worth knowing so you're not caught off guard: canceling stops it from renewing going forward, but you'll typically keep your Level 2 access through the rest of the billing period you've already paid for, rather than losing it the moment you cancel. One important safety note before you go. While researching this exact topic, I came across a number of pages online listing phone numbers claiming to be Webull support for canceling this subscription. Steer clear of those entirely. Canceling this doesn't require calling anyone, and unsolicited support numbers attached to billing or subscription help are a very common setup for scams. Stick to your device's own settings, the Play Store, or PayPal directly, exactly like we just walked through. And that covers it. Find wherever you originally subscribed, whether that's Apple, Google Play, or PayPal, and cancel it right there. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.